The number one difference between Anden and the other products is probably the product itself is just superior. I would definitely recommend everyone to take a look at Anden before they make any decision on what dehumidifier they're making. We're finding that we need less dehumidifiers in the space during certain times, so it's saving us on energy, it's saving us on overall cost when we build out, because we might not need as many as we thought we need with another product. So the product's really good, and the customer service is excellent as well.
User friendly. That's what we really like about it.
Very easy to use, trouble errors, been able to solve them very quickly with your guys' staff, and as well as building a relationship from a year now to our third gen. It seems like we're growing together.
One of the benefits of Anden is that we here are trying to make it to where they can take care of everything themselves. They don't need to sit there and have another tech or somebody else come in. We try to make it user-friendly so that the growers themselves can actually work on our units and take care of them inside the industry.
You can build the best product in the world and not stand behind it, and not answer the questions and get to people that need answers and need to know what's going on. And that's what we do better, I think, than anybody. I would say in this space, we're changing the way people are doing business. And hopefully we can continue on with that as we grow and we add staff members. But all of our staff is very passionate about what they do, and like I said, they're willing to pick up the phone any time of the day or night to take care of the customer.